I love working with people who are constantly trying to be, a little better. And Tiger is one of the best in that. I think I am still shy. 50% will like you, 50% will not, and you should be okay with that. Lakshya was another turning point in my career, which is very interesting working with Farhan. I am planning now to do nothing. Hi guys, this is Hrithik Roshan, and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
This is Nikki from Ludhiana. How much you loved Tiger's performance in War and the thing he did with that negative character, how much he had impressed you and also as Khalid. Can we see both of you in War too?
Well, I don't know if how impressed was I. I was absolutely amazed. I was so happy with every time he was facing the camera, and I was just trying to give as much as I can of myself to him, because he really was so eager to do his best. And once you have that urge and that want, that desire inside you to better your best, I get ignited when I see, if I'm around people who are just wanting to be their best, it ignites me like nothing else. So I love working with people who are constantly trying to be, a little better. And Tiger is one of the best in that. He really tries and does. He's done so well in the film. I'm so proud. I mean, there were times, in fact, where in the first scene that we did with each other in the film is where I sit on the sofa and he's standing there and the colonel is there. And then I walk up to him and I say some dialogues. It's happens very seldom, but when that scene starts, you feel this is Kabir's scene. And then the scene goes on and Khalid starts to talk and he takes it away. And then Kabir starts to talk and it kind of like goes back to Kabir's, gets more weighty. And it just keeps going back and forth.
It's like a very healthy give and take.
Yeah, that's what, man, that was so exciting to see. That's my favorite scene of the film.
This is Amir from Germany. What changes has come from that shy boy of 2000 to a huge megastar in 2019?
What has changed? I think I am still shy, but I think over time you develop a skill to understand what that shyness is, and it's just it's a kind of a fear that your authentic self needs to be hidden because it might not be very impressive, or you might not be loved enough if you are just the way you are.
Right.
And so you try and either get reserved or put on a mask to make sure that you please the people and everyone loves you.
Sure.
And I think it's taken 25 years for me to shed that off. Little remnants are still there, but I think mostly I'm okay with my authentic self, whatever that may be. 50% will like you, 50% will not, and you should be okay with that.
I think 99% people are liking right now. Planet Hrithik from Tehran, Iran. What makes Hrithik Roshan, this is a very interesting question. What makes Hrithik Roshan refuse to experience different kind of style and clothing? Because he's damn sexy and seeing him in different styles is a treat to eyes.
Yeah, really? I mean, am I not doing that? Okay. Noted, taken into account, and I will try and reach further into the horizon to see what else I can do.
This is a very interesting question as well. The name is not there exactly. Raju Bhai. There's some handle as well. I think 10,000 questions related to when you're announcing a new film. Is there any film for 2020? Please ask him.
Probably.
It's a very specific question. That are you having a release in 2020?
There is a possibility.
This is Sahil Aanchal. What does he think about his movie Lakshya, which is a masterpiece in Bollywood, have ever produced in the last 20 years? He considers Lakshya as a masterpiece.
Thank you so much for that. I think Lakshya was another turning point in my career in terms of how it influenced my approach to my work. Because working with Farhan for after the kind of films I had done, it was a very new atmosphere where I was not for the first time I was not being told to do certain things because the camera is placed like this or the camera is placed like that. So you got to do facing to the camera. Or I was completely left to my own instincts. I could walk anywhere, I could sit anywhere, and then the camera would follow me. So I became, the actors become the leader, and the camera is, it's the director's job to find how to see what the actor is doing in the best possible way. So it was the first time that I was working in an equation like this, and it was really nice. It really changed my perception, and as an actor, you started to feel more of a flow, and less projection.
Ji.
Which is very interesting working with Farhan.
Hiram A from New Delhi. Are you considering a significant suit upgrade for Krish 4?
Perhaps.
Deep from Bangalore. Hi Hrithik, I'm your huge fan since 2000. Congratulations on the success of Super 30 and War. My sincere request, please do more action movies for next 4 or 5 years, and also give us fans some news about Krish 4. So
Thank you, Deep. Deep, right?
Ji.
Thank you so much. Yes, that's the idea now, Deep. To try and do better and use all the kind of technology to do some insane action films. So fingers crossed.
This is Mehak Shukla from Bhuj. What do you like doing in your spare time?
Hi Mehak, thank you very much for sending your message, your question. What do I like doing in my spare time?
Ji.
In my spare time, I spend time with my family. I work out. I travel. Actually, I don't really have spare time. Sometimes, actually, I sit and do nothing. That I think is what I do on my spare time. That's the only time that I take out to do nothing.
Right. Do you write?
But I'm still doing something.
Do you
So
write?
I don't think there's any spare time as such. But I actually sit down and say, okay, I am planning now to do nothing.
Do you like to
sometime.
write?
It's very hard to do.
Do you like to write? Do you write something at times? Do you
Yeah,
like write your thoughts?
I keep a diary and I write my thoughts down and
Okay.
declutter on paper. Hi guys, this is Hrithik Roshan and you are watching Bollywood Hungama.